The amount of corn chips dispensed into a 16-ounce bag by a dispensing machine has been identified as possessing a normal distribution with a mean of 16.5, standard deviation of 0.2. What chip amount represents the 67th percentile for the bag weight distribution? Round to two places. I really recommend, even though we have the StatCrunch tool, that you draw these out by hand. This really will help you in sort of thinking through the problem. If you go straight to StatCrunch, I mean, if you're doing a bunch of these, you get used to it, I'm sure that's fine, but I really recommend drawing these out by hand on paper. Okay, so we're in StatCrunch, we're going to go to Stat, Calculators, go down to the Normal tool, and let's put in our values. We've got a mean of 16.5, standard deviation of 0.2. And so let's just sort of, what expectation do we have? If the mean is 16.5, so the 50th percentile will be sort of right at that. 67th percentile is going to be a little bit more than that. So we're expecting something a little bit bigger than 16.5. Right, so even using our choices, we can eliminate these first two right off the bat. So let's go ahead and put in 0.67 and press compute. So 16.59. Now, if you had mistakenly had it this way, and let me go ahead and put in 0.67, you get 16.4. Now, I don't think that was a distractor. It should have been. That would have been a very attractive distractor, because I see students do that all the time. So we want to make sure we choose the right one. Look at the visual. 67th percentile is going to be at 16.59. So that value is at it's the cut point between the top 67%, sorry, the bottom 67% and the top, 33%. Hope that helps.